For video prompts, is it better if you have a longer prompt?
It's not necessarily the length that matters, it's what the prompt is saying. So if you could fit a bunch of details into a 2 or 3 sentence prompt, that's totally fine too. Typically what you want is to include as many details as possible so that the video models have more items to work with. There are people who are giving 2 or 3 paragraphs where they'll talk down to like the little details. Maybe in the bottom left corner of the video is this, like in the top right corner is this, the camera is moving this way, the style of the video. There are also people who are putting in like structured data, like JSON data of to generate videos as well, and I think that works well for a couple of models.
So optimizing your prompt really depends on the model that you get.
Yeah, video is still early enough where I think there's no standardization yet on what kind of prompts the models can take. So each model could be different when it comes to the kind of prompts. That's why whenever you see best practices or whatnot, like it typically has a model in mind. Like most of the best practices out there right now are probably for VO, because that's kind of like the state of the art model.